which was not only free but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India. Now it is our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and
clean.
I take
this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote
time for this. I will
devote
100 hours
per year. That is
2 hours
per week
to
voluntarily
work for
cleanliness.
I will